Okay, welcome to week 5, lesson 9. We are going to take the quiz. Nobody has any questions. So does everyone have the quiz open?
Yep.
Yeah.
All right, so go ahead. Tell me when you guys are ready. We'll do questions 1 and 2 are already,
Yeah.
And then I'll start with question 3 as soon as you're ready.
All right, I'm ready.
Cool.
Okay, which hypothesis involves equality? I got the null hypothesis.
Yes.
Everyone's good? We're just going to keep going unless someone says it's wrong. Okay, next, number 4. The p-value is the probability. What? Hannah? Do you hear her?
No.
No.
Her face is moving, but I don't hear her talking.
Can't hear you guys.
You can't hear us?
Pull your earbuds out.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just pull your earbuds out. Try to just use the computer the way it is.
Oh my god. Okay. Hello, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
I think I can hear you now.
Okay. All right, we're on number 4.
Sure.
Yep. The p-value is the probability of obtaining a sample statistic at least as extreme as the one that was actually observed. Use this information to answer. Are we having problems?
Someone's watching TV somewhere.
The p-value is the probability of
Hey, can you turn that down for a little bit, Jonathan? Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Oh, was that you, Aaron?
Yeah.
Aaron, you fool. Just joking. All right. Remember the p-value is the probability of, I said that. Blah, blah, blah. When computing the p-value, which hypothesis do you assume to be? It's the null hypothesis.
Yeah.
Okay. Suppose the null hypothesis is HO, which is the mean is equal to 10. Use this information to answer the next 3 questions. So, which of the following represents the alternative hypothesis for a 2-failed test? Oh, I hate this. Okay, which of the following represents the alternative hypothesis? So, alternative hypothesis is represented by HA. And if it's 2 failed tests, that would mean it's less than the mean, right?
No.
It's greater than?
2-tailed test would be if it doesn't equal whatever the null hypothesis is.
Oh, so it's the 3rd one down.
Yeah.
Okay. You're a genius. Okay. Number 6. Which of the following represents the alternative hypothesis for a left-tailed test? Left-tailed, I need to look at that. It means the mean is less than the value. So, would that be the top one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is Hannah okay? Hannah, you good?
Can you hear us, Hannah? She looks like she's zoning out.
We need to learn sign language. Hannah. Okay. Okay. Which of the following represents alternative? So it'd be the opposite for a right-tailed test. So if we had the one that was less than, the mean would be greater than.
So it'd be
Yeah, the second one. Consider that we determine the outcome of a hypothesis test by comparing the p-value to the level of significance. Okay. Use this information to answer the next two questions. The hypothesis test by comparing the p-value to the level of significance. Failing to reject the null hypothesis. So I gotta look that up. Does anybody know that one?
Yeah, it's the top one. So
P-value is greater than the. Oh yeah, that's right.
Yeah, I think so.
Hannah, are you on number 8?
She's the second witness.
Can you not hear me?
What number are you on? I'm gonna just text her real quick.
What?
What number? Check your phone.
Oh, funny.
Anyways, while we're waiting for her, you have basketball tonight, Andrew?
No, not on Thursdays, just Tuesdays. I know, bummer.
She's not even checking her phone. Okay, good. You're with us.
There you go.
We're on number 9. Number 9. Which relationship would result in rejecting the opposite? It would be p-value is less than a.
Yeah.
yeah, I wrote that squiggly, whatever that is.
Okay. An insurance company is reviewing its current policy rates. When originally setting the rates, they believed that the average claim was $1,500. They are concerned that the true mean is actually higher than this. Use this information for the next two questions. Which of the following would be appropriate alternative hypothesis? HA. The average claim is greater than 1,500.
Yes.
What the heck?
Yeah.
Okay, that's weird. Which of the following would be appropriate null hypothesis? The average claim is equal to 1,500.
Yeah.
Did everyone get?
Yeah.
Are you cool with that one? I just learned that. I was like, I would have put.
No.
I'm like that. It's always expressed as an equality. Who is giggling?
Number 8, I think, is what I'm on.
I think she's really lagging right now. I think her internet's really bad.
I know. I feel bad. Hold on. Let
I
me.
know. The one time when you had your surgery stuff, we just like had her text back and forth, and that was so much.
I'm gonna ask her if she can FaceTime me.
Or yeah, FaceTime or call.
Or call. Is she checking her phone? Hold on, guys. Let's just make sure.
Yeah, that's fine. No rush.
Yeah. Yeah, to FaceTime. I will FaceTime. Hey, can you hear me? Okay, we'll just do this. So just mute your, so we don't hear anything. You know what I mean?
I gotta figure out how to do that.
Okay, well then it should be a keyboard, like a volume. Just click, click, click down. Where do you live? Where do you guys live? I forget. Rexburg?
I do.
I live in Boise.
Hey, I'm coming over there.
That's what you said. That's pretty cool. When are you coming?
We leave November 9th, and
Cool.
we're going to go into the temple the 10th.
Sweet.
Okay. Yeah. With all my kids. It's going to be fun.
That's so cool.
Okay, let's see. All right, Hannah, we're on number 11. Are you good?
My computer would work faster if I wasn't in the stupid Hangout, but it can't do both at the same time.
Click out. Click out. I'll just say that you were there. Click out.
Okay.
We should just do this from now on.
Right.
Okay.
Okay. Which of the following? So we're on number 11. Which one are you on?
11.
Okay, fine. So we got the first one. Save. All right, number 12. The next one. The insurance company randomly selects n equals 40 claims and calculates a sample mean of X. 1650. Use the next to answer the questions. Okay, the insurance company assumes the distribution of the sample mean is normal. Is this a good assumption? The sample mean. It's 40 claims to calculate sample mean of. Is this a good assumption? Yeah, because
Should be the top one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
because the size is over 30.
Right.
Right.
Yeah. So it's the first one.
Okay.
It is a good assumption.
Number 13. What theorem or law justifies your answer to the previous question? It's a central limit theorem.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. Which of the following is the test statistic as defined in this lesson? It's what?
It's the Z-score.
Yeah.
Z.
I don't even know what those other ones are. Okay. The historical mean of sales receipts at a grocery store is 150 with standard deviation of 40. The store manager suspects that the average has decreased. She sets up a hypothesis test with these hypotheses. So those two things, and then she will use a level of significance of A equals 0.5 or 0.05. She then takes a simple random sample of 36 sales receipts from her store and computes a mean of 144, or not a mean, but 144. Use this information to answer next 4 questions. What is a Z-score associated with this test? Can you guys break your I use my phone, but I'm on FaceTime. Can you guys do that?
I got negative 0.9.
What again?
Negative 0.9. What did you get, Hannah?
I use my phone as a calculator as well, so.
Son of a Aaron?
Well, Andrew's not the good one to ask.
No offense, Andrew, but Aaron, you got our back here?
Yeah, I know for sure it's right.
All right, cool. So tell us what the answer is.
Okay, negative 0.9 or negative 0.9.
Okay, actually, that sounds probably right.
So wait, 15 is negative 0.9?
0.09.
Yeah.
No, 0.9.
09 then.
Oh, you said 0.9?
Wait. Yeah, okay, negative 0.9.
Yeah, negative.
So it's 0.9.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Stop saying 0.9. Okay, got it. Negative 0.9. Okay. What is the p-value associated with the z-score from the previous question?
Oh, the app.
It's the applet. So you got to go into the applet. I can do that at least. And you put in negative 0.9, right?
Right.
Okay, negative 0.9. And then what am I looking for? Where do I shade?
Left of the negative 0.9.
Shade even the middle and the left, or?
No, just the left.
Okay, just left. So it
So
is
it's
0.1841.
yeah.
0.1841. Oh wait, how many decimal places? 3.
3 decimal places.
Okay, so. All right. What inference would you make about the null hypothesis for this problem? So,
It's 0.0.
well, it's higher than the mean. So it's 0.9, and the mean was,
So we failed to reject, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
What is your conclusion for this problem? We have insufficient, fail to reject would mean that we have, fail to reject, sufficient evidence that the true population mean is 150. We have sufficient evidence that the true is less than, mean is less. I think it's the second one.
No,
Why is that?
because we failed to reject the null hypothesis.
Oh, I'm
We
thinking
don't have enough.
accept. Okay, sorry. Yes. So that means we have insufficient evidence.
Yeah, it should be the third one.
That, okay, what is less than 150? Sorry about that, guys.
No, it's okay.
Okay, number 19. There are two types of errors that can be made when performing a hypothesis. Which one involves rejecting the null hypothesis when the null hypothesis is true?
Type 1.
It rejects the null hypothesis when the null hypothesis, yeah, you're right, type 1. Okay, a researcher decided that instead of using a level of significance, mean of 0.05, he will use 0.01. Which of the following will be true? So if one is going down, the other one must go up. So that means two types of errors. The probability of a type 1 error will increase.
I think that's right.
The probability of a type 2 error will increase.
I'm pretty sure it's that one.
I think it's the second one because a type 1 error means it rejects the null hypothesis when the null hypothesis is true. He will use, oh, wait a minute.
Because if it's smaller, then it would.
He's decreasing the possibility of a type 1 error occurring, but that just makes type 2 error increase.
Yeah, so it's the second one.
Yeah.
The probability of a type 2. All I kept remembering when I took the test is when one goes up, the other one goes down. Okay. Question 21. If A, 0.50 is probability of committing type 1, compute the probability. Is that applet again?
No. It's just understanding what a type 1 error is.
Okay. So this is the last one. Compute the probability of committing a type 1 error. How do I do that?
It's trying to confuse us because that little symbol or whatever is basically the chance of committing a type 1 error. So,
Oh, it's the same exact thing. It's 0.05?
yeah.
Okay.
So it's 0.05.
Yeah, it's not different. Okay, I'll submit it. All right, we got 100%.
Yay.
We're a genius. Yay. Okay, so Andrew, Aaron, you guys good?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll meet on Tuesday. Hannah, you're good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, I'm just going to put you down on the discussion board, and we're not going to do your Google Hangout anymore. I'll type it in there and just say we're just going to FaceTime you.
Okay, that's easier
I'll do
because my
this.
computer's just so old.
Right here. Okay, hanging up. Bye, guys.
See ya.
Bye.